Now let me take you inside the room. This is beautifully designed hut-shaped villa that instantly gives you those Maldivian vibes. Come on. This room is spacious and thoughtfully designed. It comes with TV unit for your downtime, air conditioner for your comfort, and a huge wardrobe and well-placed dressing table over here. But the main attraction is the bathroom area. And let me show you why. This open shower and this large jacuzzi. So we are staying at Superior Beach Villa for first 2 days. Let me know if you like the video or not.